Hey lovelies, today is all about tiger nuts. Tasty, refreshing tiger nuts. If you're new here, welcome to this amazing family. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss our next video. So for this recipe, we're going to be needing some tiger nuts. This is the dry tiger nuts. It was soaked in water yesterday morning and I took it out this morning. I changed the water at night, so this has been washed and picked. Okay, I have my coconuts washed already. I don't want to give my blender so much stress, so I'm going to cut it into smaller chunks. Okay, we have some dates here. I'm going to cut those dates into two to get the seeds out. The seed is not going to be part of this process. All right, this date is going to make our tiger nut drink taste so good. Dates is packed with lots and lots of nutrients, and it is also a sweetener, so I'm going to be using this for this recipe. Okay, we have some ripe bananas. This banana is also going to act as a sweetener, and it is also packed with lots and lots of nutritional benefits for the body. Okay, so I'm going to just peel the bananas and cut this into smaller chunks as well. This tiger nut drink is all about everything natural. We're not going to be adding anything artificial to this drink. So, oh my god, I'm already salivating because I can't wait to get a taste of this. All right, we have everything ready. We have our dates, coconuts, tiger nuts, and of course our bananas. These are four basic ingredients you're going to be using for this amazing recipe. So let's go on to transfer it into our blender. All right, I'm going to be adding some water, clean water. This is going to help the blender blend this into a smooth paste. Once you're done with your blending process, you want to transfer this into a sieve, and I will use my spatula to get the water out. Alright, this is what you're going to keep doing until you are done extracting the water, and of course the chaff will go into the dustbin. Nobody wants to eat the chaff except you have some recipes you want to use the chaff for, but then if not, you're going to discard the chaff. What we need is the water. Once you are done straining the water out, you can store this in a plastic container, in bottles, and put in your fridge. This tiger nut tasted so good. I didn't want to share, but I had to share with my family. It was so refreshing. It was so filling. You can add some gingers if you like, but I don't like gingers in my drinks. If you're going to use some gingers, just use a little portion of ginger. All right, this is all about it for this amazing tiger nut drink. Let me know in the comment section how you make your own tiger nuts. What are the ingredients you use to make your special tiger nuts? Let us know. We all learn from each other. And if you have not subscribed to this time, I tell you, you are missing out a lot. Please subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All right, until next time, keep being amazing, keep being wonderful. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.